Good morning, students. I hope everyone is fine. Now we are going to see the letter writing in this video. In this 21st century, writing a letter is considered to be a strange thing. Technology has developed a lot. We have SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and no one is writing a letter. Communications became easy in just one click. Still, letter writing is an art and skill. One has to learn it. So, what is letter writing? Letter writing is a written communication from one person to another. There are two types of letters. One is formal letter, the another one is informal letter. Formal letter is a letter that is addressed to a higher official. For example, to the principal, to the teacher, to the manager, to the collector. So, the language should be very formal. Informal letter is a letter that is addressed to our friends and relatives. Here the language is so simple. Among these two letters, informal letter may not be used but the formal letter is still in use. Whatever communication we want to communicate through government should be in a letter format. So the formal letter plays an unavoidable role in 21st century too. Now, we will see in detail how to write a formal letter. For writing a formal letter, you have to start with from address. From address means sender's address detail. The person who's writing the letter, so if you are writing a letter for sender's address, it will be yours address. அதாவது from addressல உன்னோட அட்ரஸை தெளிவாக எழுதணும். Then, after sender's address, you have to write the to address. To address means receiver's address. You have to write a receiver address, that means to the concerned authority to which you writing the letter. அதாவது யாருக்கு நீ லெட்டர் அனுப்புறியோ அவங்களோட அட்ரஸை தெளிவாக எழுதணும். Again you have to leave a line. Then you have to write the salutation. Salutation means sir or madam to whom you are writing the letter. Sir means sir, madam means madam. After the salutation, you have to write the subject. Subject comes always after the salutation. இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு விஷயத்தை நான் ஞாபகப்படுத்துகிறேன். சப்ஜெக்ட் எப்போவுமே சல்யூட்டேஷனுக்கு பின்னால் தான் வரும். After the subject, you will have a main body. So main body you have to divide it into 2 or 3 paragraphs. First is introduction. You are telling about the introduction of the issue. Second is the content, highlighting or expressing the issue in detail. Third one is conclusion, that is concluding your letter. After that, you have to write the subscription. The right corner of the side you have to write your subscription. Subscription means yours faithfully, yours sincerely, or yours truly. Then put your signature. Then you have to mention the station and date. Place and date mention panna. At last you have to write the address on the envelope. Here you have to write the to address. Listen students, here I will show you an example. Hope in today's class you learn how to write a formal letter. In the next class we will learn how to write an informal letter. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe. Now in this video we are going to see how to write an informal letter. I have already told about what is an informal letter. Informal letter is a letter that is addressed to our friends and relatives. நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கோ ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கோ லெட்டர் எழுதணும்னா அது இன்ஃபார்மல் லெட்டர் தான். Let me see the basic format of the informal letter. An informal letter must have 6 things in it. First one, sender's detail. Here, the sender's name and the address comes. The sender is one who is writing the letter. இப்போ யார் இந்த லெட்டரை எழுதுகிறாங்களோ அவங்களோட நேம்ஸ் வந்துடணும் சென்டர் டீட்டெயிலில். Number 2, date on which the letter is written. Suppose you are writing the letter 2nd March 2020, you can write this way. This is the most common format. Third one is salutation. The salutation is a greeting word in a letter. Gradually you used dear followed by the recipient's name. For example, dear mom, dear friend, dear Ronnie, dear aunt. Like this you have to write. Step 4 is the body of the letter. The body of the letter contains the actual message. It is usually divided into 3 parts. First one is introduction, second one is main content, and the third one is summary. The introduction paragraph says the purpose of the letter. The main content convey all the necessary details. The last paragraph summarizes the informations. In informal letters, there are certain points you need to remember. Point number 1, you should use casual tone while writing the letter. Second one, you can use contractions here, like I haven't instead of I have not. Third one, you can use exclamatory sentences. Fourth one, you should write in an active form. The last one, there is no such strict rule to divide your body of the letter into 3 paragraphs. Please keep these points in your mind while writing the letter. Now, next one, complimentary close. It is the way to end the letter. It means goodbye. In general terms, we generally use yours lovingly or yours sincerely like this. Number 6, sender's name and signature. Students, this is the basic format to write an informal letter. Don't forget to write the address on the envelope at the end of the letter. Here I will show you an example of informal letter. So students, இப்போ உங்களுக்கு கிளியராக புரிஞ்சிருக்கும் how to write an informal letter and formal letter. இந்த கொஸ்டின் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரில் 45th கொஸ்டினாக வருது. It contains 5 marks. Either choice பார்த்தீங்கன்னா general essay வரும். Better you have to select letter writing. Thank you students.